another quick video. I have waited a couple minutes for the alcohol to disperse. I'm now putting a disk into that same drive. I've had a little trouble. I'm going to load the directory. The directory has loaded. I'll type list. And indeed, this drive that would not, read a disk before is now quite happy. So, a swab coated with 99% alcohol, rubbed back and forth on the head. That is the head, and that's all there is to it. If you do have a circuit board that is longer, and that is quite possible with a 1541, you may not be able to get out the head easily. But that's another story. Bye for now.